Today we are gonna troll people in JJS using Mahuraga, and I am your Talhais. Today we are gonna troll people with Mahuraga in JJS. So let's start the video, and I already have my awakening. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Let me just take these people. Come over here. Easy, easy, so easy. Oh, buddy, oh, buddy. It always works. So, Raga is here. Raga, daddy, Raga. Why am I lagging? Why am I lagging? Because of you. Let's do it, guys. I am lagging so much, but I can still do it. I can do it. Let's see how much I can win. Let's see if I can win this whole match without even losing once in this video. Let's see where he went. Let me just find him. There he is. I'm gonna kill him now. There. He's in the subway. I ain't letting a kill go away. Buddy, you ain't surviving. I'm gonna adapt to the survey. You, and you. You are going to the end of the world with me. Next we have that Gojo player over there. We will be able to kill him. Buddy, get away. Let me adapt, okay buddy? I'm really... My mom is kind of homeless. Let me just adopt you. No, didn't. Needed another player. No, I might lose now. Get me to near someone. Oh no, I died. Now I have to do the whole process again. I'm gonna do it super fast. Let's see if I can do it. I don't think I will be able to do it, since I am not a really good player. I don't even know if I can defeat these guys anymore. I will kill him. Let's just go. Wait a second. Why are these people after me? Do they remember my name? I think they know I was the Raga that was interrupting their fighting. It was the girl that was fighting with that Gojo. She's also a Gojonet. Let's see if I can defeat this girl. Her name is Eden. Wait, what kind of name is that? That is kind of stuff. That name is... Let's see if I can still kill him. It is so hard since I am a noob. I almost have half of my awakening. I just need more half. Then I will get the Mahuraga. Over there. Let's see how well I will be able to do against these people. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do many things. Wait, I am ready. I am ready for Daddy Raga. Daddy Raga. You are calling me. This sacred treasure. I summon you. Yeah, this guy is definitely getting... Wait a second. I knew he then do a World Cup slash, and then we will have a end. Then it will be the end of the Oh, e-data, online data. Oh, I will throw her into the domain. Please, please. Bruh, bro, get up me fast. Hit someone. Bro, I just became Raga and died. Now I will need to do the whole process again on this Hanami. Sorry, brother. You had to go. Hey, he also uses Hanami. Why am I saying Hanami when he is using Hanami? Why? I don't know why GG named them so similar. GG didn't have a life. GG didn't have a left. Let's see if I can kill this curse without getting cursed by his bloody blood. Why is he throwing so much blood at me? I am such a bum. I ain't gonna be able to defeat him. I know that for sure. I know for a fact I ain't gonna be able to defeat or cook this boy who had this potato. Bruh, I got absolutely demolished by this guy. How is this guy so much powerful? How did this guy become? What is he doing? What? Where did he go? There he is. Runner. I will call you a runner from now on. You are a runner in my eyes. From now on, you are a runner. Bloody, hacky. Yeah, I ain't winning. I know that. Why are you making me sure of it? Spammer, move spammer. Now I am getting 100% demolition instead of game. Hey, wait, why is he lagging so much? I might have a chance now. He's lagging a lot. Let's see. Why is he lagging so much? Does he not have money? He has money to buy Hanami but doesn't have the money to buy internet. What? Why is there a random washroom in the end of this game? Let me just go up, Hanami. Welcome back, Hanami. He's back for revenge. I will get my... Oh, this time he has way too much Wi-Fi. Oh, buddy, he's cooking this time. But he's gonna die now. He has been blocked by my move. I don't think I am gonna lose this one. Oh, wait, I think I might now because he is not lagging this time. This time I don't have a chance against his wooding technique. He hasn't used that since the Han era. No. Nah, I ain't gonna win this time. I'm pretty sure I might lose since he is not lagging or I have not dealt. I really dealt like a auntie. Bruh. I don't think I might win. I don't have a chance. I should have gotten up with a plan. Should I do it? Should I summon Mahuraga? Why am I thinking this? I really think I should do it. But no, Hanami will easily block me. He has super long range moves. Yeah, I won't do it against him. If I die and go on top, then I will beat them. So my main maqsad is to die. My accent is not that good. I can buy emote. Done. Heartbreak. Let me just equip break. Let's see how good it is. Heartbreak. What is this guy doing? Bro, what is you doing? Hey, we don't have time for this. Bro, it took me so long time to end. Even if I was trying Max Break Serpent. Yeah, I'm getting mild. 100%ly I'm getting mild. Yeah, I knew it. Buddy really thought. Buddy thought he can defeat the honored one. The honored one. I will need to start to adapt. I will, bro, why are you running? Go and come. Oh, looks like a very confident player. Confidential, I hate people who are not confident. Yeah, you are getting food, but you started running for the first time. I should have used Divine Pummel on him, bro. My wasting of time. Get out of this map. Yeah, he died. Oh, wait. I have another target. This target is 100% gonna die now. Go. Die now. I am gonna kill all of these guys. Wait, I accidentally picked up. I can't get my ritual. Thank God. I barely survived that. Boom. I got it. And now it's your time. Now you ain't surviving, buddy. Buddy, you ain't gonna survive. I said that. Buddy, what you doing? It's wrong. Yep. Bye. Brother, what are you doing? Bro, I need to start to adapt to technique. Adaptation, why isn't the adaptation? Nah, I can't. Don't have time for adaptation. Nah, I don't have time for adaptation. Or I will use. I gotta do everything to save my study. What am I saying? Bro, what am I even saying? Bro, I don't even know what I am saying and what I am doing properly. I will need to use the world cutting slash on this guy. This guy has been annoying me for so long. Hey, but why did you switch? Why did you switch? Nah, we are ending alone and together. Buddy, no. Didn't want it to end it. Why did it end? I'm gonna need to do the whole thing again and on the bench. Why is he at the bench? Thank God for saving my life, you piece of shit. I am thanking you for saving my life and you are just with me. I am just gonna do it fast. What? Why is that going to get me? So don't break the ladder or I will scatter you. Jet Black, one of my favorite weapons, that's all. I ain't letting this weapon get down. Healer for the 14. Let's see what can I do. No, didn't want you to attack me. Where is my Jet Black? You piece of dog shit. Oh wait, it's that eating girl. I remember I took revenge from her when she hit me in the subway. She came back. I ain't letting you survive, you little piece of not garbage. Sorry for calling you Tarzan. You little seed of thief. You little piece of shit. I ain't letting you down. I ain't letting you down. Who the fuck did that? That was the most boring thing ever. I will need to get my ultimate fast. Fast. What am I doing? Why am I wasting time so much? Let me just interrupt the 1v1. That poopy pants is getting bullied. I ain't letting the poopy pants get killed. I ain't gonna let the poopy pants get killed by. But these poopy pants are gonna poopy pants you. I ain't gonna let these poopy pants poopy pants. I am just gonna boom stored. Bro, he is just eliminating me since I destroyed his weapon. Okay, I will do this, pick this up and just go down the hill. Just go down the hill. Poopy Pants, is that you? No, that is not. Poopy Pants. Where is the dummy? I want to get my ultimate and just Raga gold, Daddy Raga. We're gonna use kill the Gaga. Boom! Get cooked, little. Who are you? Who are you? You, that's not. Words are unnecessary. Where is the word? Where is it? Words are unnecessary. Words are unnecessary in front of these guys. Bro, stop stealing my dummy. My dummy, my lovely dummy. My dummy. I will kick your dummy ass if you don't let me dummy ass. Dummy ass, dummy ass. If you don't let me dummy ass, dummy ass, dummy ass, dummy ass. Dummy ass, dummy ass, dummy ass. I literally cooked these two guys. Wait. A domain class? Wait, what the heck was that? It's my first time seeing a domain class. What's like this happening? Wait. Sorry. I will need to order a delivery. Delivery. I almost died. I forgot to look at my repair card. Bro, no! Why is it happening, bro? I really need to do the whole single process again and again and again and again. I have to wait so much just to get that one Raga. And why did that whatever that thing is called, why I got this Raga that I'm so sadness. How is he doing there? How was he? Hey, wait, why was my game laggy? Heck, this boy made my hair. Guys, I got hair. I just kidding, guys. I'm not a bum. I will never be a bum. Just don't see this. Let me just put this guy over here. I will just kill him and just get this. I am gonna do this. I am gonna do this. I ain't letting you get my chair. I ain't letting you get my. And this time I ain't letting a domain extension. I will do it on the dummy and I won't let anyone enter my snake mouth. This bummy dumb bag stupid ass. They're a mess. Bro! I will need an item. I am so sad. I got a banana peel. I wasted money on this piece of garbage shit. I ain't gonna even use for one match. Yeah, I wasted it. It just got wasted. Bro, I got launched in space by that. I am gonna interrupt 1v1. I ain't letting up posting Bruh, I got barely survived that. Wait a second, I just landed track from guys. Thanks for giving me a tech advice. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. Attack me, buddy. Attack me. What's that unnecessary? Wanna do a domain clash? I don't have the bomb anymore. Just a domain clash. I will teach you photo if you want to do that. But my main goal is to control people with Mahuraga, and I'm not even getting Mahuraga. What the problem is? Buddy, I just like to use this guy special. It's so funny. Whenever you are getting rage up, whatever that thing is called, raged. I call it raged. Beat. Honk बना दे तलहा मेगा honk. Yeah, I'm getting that Mahuraga. I am gonna get you with this sacred treasure. I summon divine virgin Leela Mahuraga. Mahuraga. Bro, this server is cooked. There are 2 Mahuragas. I wanna do a world. Oh wait, I forgot world cutting. Doesn't work on another Mahuraga. I can't do world cutting platform. I forgot what was it. I need to adapt. You curse creature! Thank God whoever pushed me out of the domain. Because my whole thing again because of you. What is happening? Why is this other Mahula ka? Why? बदली मत तो We have one hacker Mahula and that is gonna put the whole server into little pieces of shit. And now we will do the final and most interesting part. Just put these guys until I get Mahula again. Wow, holo purple. Who the I was seeing a live holo purple go. That was a crazy play. Like to third party. No, I ain't letting you get the kill. Bruh. Just escape this area. But it go there again. Bruh, I can't let him go on top or he will cook me. Nah, I'm gonna die to the train now. She's gone. Voice recorder. I need it. But we can't save it? Heck no. Then who wants it? It's not even saved. We will just destroy a domain with this. Does it give XP or I mean ultimate bar? Didn't meant to do that. It is gonna make them ragdoll. Yeah, let's just do it. Make them ragdoll, buddy. It has many modes. Yeah. Hey, where did it go? My favorite mode is this one. It will make them explode. Little pieces of trash. Bro, what is your problem? Oh, this one doesn't make them ragdoll, the other mode makes them. Bro, please let me get that. That is my favorite weapon. I am eager. Please give my sword back. You did it, man. I really wanna do the team mode. Yes, I've made them explode into shit pieces. Nah, I ain't gonna die. Oh, I ain't gonna die. I just die. The problem is this that I never. Bro, what is the happy problem with happy yours? Happy? I don't even know what's happy yours. Bro, just die. Bro, shit. Just die in the pieces of shit. I don't even know these guys' problem. Oh, it's your dad, guy. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't even want to shoot you. Where are you? Let's see if I can kill him. I know I will win, but I'm just doing it for fun. He's also gonna be a Mahuraga. My kid, learn from me. I will tell you the best tips. Bro, don't you dare. Bruh. I ain't letting anyone get kill my but my well-deserved kill. I deserve it. I earned it. I earned it through pure respect. I ain't letting anyone survive right now. Who was that? That one shot every single player in its existence. Oh, don't tell me Dodo, the man, the god himself, the one who cracked world, the one who saved beauty. Bruh. You little dog piece of shitty. I ain't gonna hit you no more. I'm just gonna take your existence out of the world, out of the universe. You are gonna die 1,000,000,000%. I wish you good luck to be survivalent. Banana. Coin flip. If it's heads, I win. What is it? If it heads, I win. This side and this side. Who was that? Bruh. I think someone cancelled him. Because I exactly heard the sound of water. I can understand it. That was really the sound of the Mahuraga's humming. Escape! This is how to escape the most best card. Killbind. Yes! Let's see if I can do anything good. It is just getting started. Why is there a random pistol? Go, buddy. Go, my son. You can do it. Go, my son. I won't hit you and get ultimate. I won't target. Sorry, my bro. I have to do it to keep the sake of my life. Sorry, it took me so long to make you born from. I don't know. I just found him. I just see the adopted him. Who are you? Why are you fighting you? Little trash piece of. I am just gonna do it. Just do it. Let's just do it. I'm gonna do it. Let's see. I stole his kill. You stole mine. And I ain't getting you survive. Bro, best result. Bro, sorry. Didn't know you would be so much of a tryhard. Who are you? Yes, bro. those are my protectors. Escape. Quite peaceful. Yeah, you are not surviving. How you dare attack the only one of the devotees? Oh, she is very smart. Oh wait, I haven't even played as Kali Tiger because I am doing one challenge for people who know that I ain't gonna give up on it. Thank God. I hope he doesn't come here. You little dog piece of shit. Your anxiety will excite you. You don't exciting me. You little shit. Why did you do that? You are a hacker now. Oh. I'm just gonna. Oh, is that a transfer? No, that's a player. Oh, but who are you? Who invited you here? But you don't you dare get here. If you come over here again, I will kick your ass into small piece of shit. Bro, teamers! Get out of this world. This piece of dog shit. Bro, she got violated in the most different way. Please die. Yes. I am needing another transplant. You dog piece of shittiness. Bro, teamer. I ain't letting these guys survive. Hey, these guys ain't surviving in front of me. I am gonna use him to summon the god himself. But it's your problem. You decided to hit me first. Now pay the price. Use your whole life for me. No. He's in ultimate. I ain't gonna win now. Bruh, you can't die in ultimate. Bruh, that's for him. That is gonna be a cheater. When he grows up, because I know he's a kid, he will eat every step he will ever do. Bruh, I can't even kill him. Oh wait, I can throw him off 30 maps. Wait. Come here, buddy. Come. At least I can't take you down with the take even down move, but I can actually throw you out of the map with this thing. Buddy, go out of the map. Now you will fall infinitely in the void. Bro, he's gonna be falling. Not ultimate. But you just got into my hands by your own self. Adaptation. Mini attack. 10%. I will need to adapt one more time. Then it will be 20%. Bruh, I wasted my adaptation. Parry. I ain't letting you revive. My ritual is getting stolen. I ain't letting these guys. No, these piece of shitness. These guys are gonna pay price now. I am gonna be Mahuraga for one last time. I've caused a lot of chaos. Already a lot of chaos. I don't know what to do now. I don't even know now. Now if I should even be alive right now. I don't even know if I should be alive right now. I think I should die right now. Wait, why can't I move? I can move now. Let's see what can I do now. Bruh. I think I might win now. I have it in my bag. I ain't gonna sell it like this guy. Oh wait, yes. I will throw him in this piece of shitness. Yes! He was waiting for me. Nah, I am dead. Just way too much better. I really died to this guy like 20 times. This guy, why is he only targeting me? He knows I am bigger than him. He just loves fighting noobs. That just started like 1 day ago. Let's see how good I am. I just started playing this game yesterday. I don't even know how good characters names are. I don't using Yuta. Yuta Okotsu. That was more blessed than the honored one himself declared that Yuta Okotsu is more blessed than him because of Rika and Katsu. Now I died. I am gonna take revenge. My revenge arc is starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am starting my revenge arc by putting this glass on. Yes! The glass was a paid actor. Yeah, I know that. I spawned that glass with commands. Just kidding, I don't even have commands. I don't even know the owner's name. I just started playing because I don't even know what this game meant. I know it is based off. Nah! The thing I know is this is based on Jujutsu Kaisen. And I have watched Jujutsu Kaisen full. But you can do it. Bro, he's only copied this technique. Oh no, he has copied that this technique. I think he might have. Get over here, you Dogan people. I wish that it could. Not God, not the Jacob ladder. I said ladder. Nah, I am gonna die right now. This is a miracle or this is not a miracle. This is my death. And yeah, I'm on Team Earth. Yeah, I got myself killed. Bro, what is the problem with you? Oh, last. So that's that one place. He dare hit me. He dare. Why am I just taking revenge? I should be getting Mahuraga. My main challenge is Mahuraga. Mahuraga, come out. Come out. next city. Nah. I ain't letting you survive this zombie. See how well I can do in this domain. I wish I would be able to get out. Nah, I won't. We can't get out and we get in. I hope that I'm in spot. Yes, I just harm out that everybody. Just harm. I'm just gonna farm my ultimate in this domain. Nah, sir, I ain't. No, he hit it on the stuck in the sky. That's just great. But I don't have my ultimate. Just domain. Thank God he did that again because otherwise no one has let me get my ultimate. And this time I'm actually gonna only use this dummy for my Mahuraga. Since you know what happened last time over top of it. I should always use it on this building, but I love it. Buddy. Thank God you business here. Yes! He came on the last second that Hakari failed. I am on my revenge class right now, and you are definitely getting. I need to have my. Nah, I am the one who is getting. Sorry, bruh. Sorry. Nah. You are just gonna kick my ass. You are just gonna kick my ass. Thank God it's domain for me. Bro, stop! Enough now. Bro, please stop, bruh. I ain't trolling players. They are trolling me. Yes. By the way, that's for it, guys. Till then, bye. I will do a part 2 next, and then I will troll with Turtle's fast clapping. And before I go, please like and subscribe my channel and share and also comment. And bye. Like and subscribe.